Waiting is an unavoidable part of life. Whether it's in a line at the store, in traffic, or waiting for news, we all experience periods of waiting. But with passing time comes the perception that waiting can feel like an eternity. In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the truths about waiting and how we can try to manage our expectation and anticipation. Welcome to the Inspire series. I'm Sylvia Mordini, the founder of Life Inspired, and I'm happy that you're here today. The first truth is that unoccupied time feels longer than occupied time. Being idle is difficult for us to endure because our minds can wander. This can make days, weeks, or sometimes even months feel eternal. To make waiting times bearable, it helps to use even small amounts of time around bigger waits by reading a book, listening to music, or communicating with others. The second truth is that people want to get started. We're creatures of momentum and routine, so once we have an idea of what's next, it's much easier for us to accept having to wait for it. To help make waiting more bearable, try to understand the first few steps in whatever you're waiting for so that you have something to look forward to. Another truth is that anxiety can make waits feel longer. When we're experiencing turbulent emotional states, time can seem to stretch on forever. If this is something you struggle with, try identifying what's making you anxious and work on methods that can help you lower your stress levels, such as mindful breathing and other forms of relaxation. The last truth is that the solo waits feel longer than group waits. That is due to the fact that when we're alone, we often let our minds wander, leading us to think about how much time is passing instead of focusing on the present moment. Whenever possible, choose to bring a friend with you when waiting, as it can help improve the experience and provide companionship as well. Waiting is rarely enjoyable, but knowing some truths can help us manage expectations and make longer waits more bearable. Remember that just because something feels like it's taking a long time, that doesn't mean it actually is. In the meantime, it's important to practice patience and find ways to pass the time that don't involve worrying. I'm so grateful you're here. Thank you for watching, and I hope these truths about waiting have been helpful to you. May you love yourself, love your day, and love your life. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this inspired you by clicking below. Have a beautiful day. Peace out, everybody.